All right, now that you have a good understanding of what IPv6 is, along with its addressing types, its nomenclature, and advantages and disadvantages, we are going to put that to use in our packet tracer implementation. As you can see, got a pretty simple little setup here, little network. We got our two subnets that I've made. We got our 1 and 2. All we're going to do is implement that into our router with the two different addresses from two different ports, and then we'll simply assign our PCs to them. So let's go ahead and get into that. All right, so first things first is your terminal. First things first is we want to get packets flowing through the IPv6, or at least allow it to understand it. So all we're going to do is a simple command. It's on the script. And that's IPv6 unicast routing. So after we open that, should open the gates for it. Now IPv6 will be able to pass through. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our interfaces. So we're just going into interface. We'll work on this side first. And then we're going to simply add our IP addresses. So I have made. Let's go ahead and do that. 64. Add just like that. Don't forget our link locals. And do a no shut. Go, that port is up and running. Same thing for the next port. So this time it's going to be 2 for this. Local. Do a no shut and go ahead and exit it. And that does it for our router. We can go ahead and move on to our PCs and assign them. Before we do that, we're just going to do a little quick that's right. Do show IPv6. IPv6. As you can see here, we got our ports up and running. We're both up. In addition, we got our link locals, and we also have our IPs. So IPs are set to the ports. That looks good. All right. Just do a copy. Start. Now let's move on to configuring our PCs. We're just going to do IP address. Ooh, IPv4. Nope, that's wrong. So we do 201 2. That would be 64. Local should autofill. Same thing for down here. Got 1 up there, so this time we're going to do 2. Now simply get this set up. Get this set up like locals have autofilled. Now we're just gonna do a quick ping test. Something 8 1 2. We have traffic. Do the same thing on the other side. Ping 2B8 1 2 2, and we have traffic. So there we go. Now we have our network working for IPv6. And this is a simple unicast route. So that does it for you. And that concludes the implementation portion of it. Thanks for watching.